everyone. So tell me the three magical words. I love you. Now tell me the three powerful words. That is I like you. I know. I love you is more powerful than I like you, but I like you is an appetizer of I love you. Being likable is not nice to have, but a need to have. Because research have found that likable people have more secure jobs than the people who lack this trait. It's also observed that bosses who are friendly and appreciative get their work done more from their employers as compared to bosses who are just pain in the ass. It is believed that this is something inherent, but after stepping into psychology, I have realized that this is something that you can learn. You can learn from your experience. Basically, likable people are superheroes. So let's make this a priority and be a superhero too. Step number 1, don't be boastful. You shouldn't be egocentric and not always talk about yourself, like your goals, your achievements in life, because it shows that how insecure you are. And that is a big turn off, because according to psychology, it shows that you are insecure about yourself and you are seeking for validation in life. So never be boastful. Step number 2, be a good listener. Because sometimes you just need someone who can listen to you, understands you. So always listen patiently and try to sympathize the speaker. Step number 3, the real you is way more interesting than the person you are pretending to be. If you are going somewhere or attending any kind of event, you already know that everyone is going to judge you. Then you start struggling to be perfect and pretending to be someone like who you are not. And out of pressure and anxiety, you act sometimes super weird. Talking about myself, when I'm pretending to be someone who I am not, I act like super boring इंसान. कभी-कभी तो इतने गंदे jokes मार देती हूँ ना. So yeah, be real, be you, because the best version of you is you. Step number 4, always compliment. Be interested. When you meet someone, always ask questions and be appreciative. These small gestures shows that you like him or her. And trust me, these small compliments help a lot. A lot. Step number 5, don't talk about things that you are interested in, but talk about things that you think the other person would be interested in. And try to add personal touch with people. For example, जैसे मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, वो जब कभी भी किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाता है ना, तो वो हमेशा उन वेटर्स का नाम याद कर लेता है. तो वो उन वेटर्स को या उस मैनेजर को उनके नाम से बुलाता है. तो इससे क्या होता है, एक पर्सनल टच मिल जाता है. तो इससे एक तो यू विल बिकम लाइकेबल एंड यू मे इवन गेट सम एक्स्ट्रा डिस्काउंट. स्टेप नंबर 6, use similarity attraction effect. When you meet someone for the first time and have a good conversation with that person, then you should always look for things in common. Share commonality, because we like people who are not just like us, but also like us in similar ways. But don't fake it, okay? Like, yeah, this is so yum, I must say. Don't fake it. Don't fake it. Period. Step number 7, don't bitch like a bitch. Never ever bitch about anybody. Instead, say good thing about others. Because if you try and find good things in everybody, then you will have a positive image. And by doing this, you can condition your mind to stay positive. Step number 8, be confident. Have that open body language, a drink in your hand, with welcoming shoulders and maintaining the eye contact. These small gestures will make you more approachable person. But before everything else, like yourself first. Because if you don't like yourself, it's difficult for others to like you. So like yourself first, and now you are a superhero.